Her pixie dust helps the elves' magic, and thus she and Kristoff learned to work together, and so oh, pardon me. I'm allergic to pixie dust. Dust quickly. As she flies up, she scatters her pixie dust, and it caused me to sneeze.
Do you feel anything?
Oh my, yes I do. We're right on the mark. It should be just over there. We're here.
Yay! Quick, take your medicine. It looks like it's snowing in the spring.
Yes. It's a most enchanting sight all about. Except I happen to be just the teensiest bit allergic. Well, then, then let's get going to the troll wizards. Achoo! Because I can't wait to get my allergy medicine from them. Achoo!
Of course, let's go.
Wogglebug, happy Easter!
Happy Easter to you too. Achoo!